Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a chatbot for your surf shop business. If you are running a surf shop business, you get a lot of inquiry about gears, costumes and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. It automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to build this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create this chatbot for your surf shop brand using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people about their inquiry, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. If you want to know how to create this chatbot, let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you how it works in the real time. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp web. I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have delivered my trigger message, I got a response reply which welcomed me and gave me 3 action button. In this 3 action button, I can choose according to my requirement. As I want to know about services, I will click on view services. After clicking the action button, I got a response reply which tell me about the services, and it also have 2 action button with it. One is menu and other is booking. As I want to see menu again, I will click on the menu button. Here you can see I again got the same reply which I have got initially. Here I can again select according to my requirement. Now I want to see the pricing detail. I will click on check repairing price. From here I got the pricing detail as well. Now if I want to book, I will click on the book option. After clicking on the booking option, they have asked me to enter my personal details like my full name. For example, I will enter demo user. After my full name, they have asked me my contact number. I will enter my contact number. After the contact number, they want the preferred timing. For that, I will enter something like that. And as soon as I have entered all the details, they have confirmed my booking. So yes, you have seen this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better without any manual help. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and here you need to write pabbly.com/chat. As soon as you enter this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free for a free account. As I already have my account with Pabbly.com, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be on the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 applications. As I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this option by clicking on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. If you want to add new WhatsApp number, you can click on the Add WhatsApp Number button which is present on the right hand corner. If you want to know how to add WhatsApp number in detail, we have already created video. For that, link will be in the description box. Not only that, we have many more features in the dashboard page. Let's see each feature one by one. Below the dashboard page, there is an inbox option where you can manage your conversation from one place and you don't need to open your WhatsApp separately. After that, we have contact option. In contact option, you can create new contact and segregate your contact according to your need. Below the contact option, there is a team queue feature where you can assist different tasks to different team members and review their performance. After team queue, we have template option where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personal touch to your chat. After template section, there is a broadcast section where you can send bulk message to your customer with the customized template. After broadcast, we have flow section, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below flow, we have AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually in detail, we have created video for that as well. Link will be in the description box. Now, as we have got to know about each feature, let's get started by building our flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can click on Add Flow button, which is given on the right hand corner of the page. By clicking on the Add Flow button, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. In this window, there are three features: keywords, regex, and choose template. First is a choose template option. In the choose template option, you can choose your created template to give your chat a personalized touch. After that, there is a regex section. Regex section is a special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, and filter the specific text. After regex, we have keywords. Keywords is a trigger message that your customer will put while initiating the conversation. As we got to know about all three features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to our flow. As we are making our flow for Surf Shop, I will name it accordingly, like Surf Shop Chatbot. After giving a meaningful name, let's start building this flow. For that, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. After that, as soon as my customer initiate the conversation, I want them to give a welcome message. For that, I will drag and drop the text button from the message section and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer initiate or trigger a message, they will get a welcome message. Here I will enter a welcome message like this. And with that, I want to give few action button. For that, I will click on add button option and add view services. On the next action button, I will enter check repair price. And for the third action button, I will enter book board repair. Now, for each action button, I want to give a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here. That means as soon as someone click on the view services, they will get this message. Something like that. With that, I will add action button as well. For example, menu. And in the next action button, I will enter booking. Similarly, for the next action button, which is check repair price, I will again drag and drop this option and click on the text button and enter a separate message for that button. Something like that. With that, I will give an action button of booking. With the similar process, I will again give a separate message for booking board. Now for book board detail, I need few detail to book their appointment. For that, I will go to action section and drag the ask question. After that, I will connect book board repair with this question. That means as soon as someone click on this action button, a question will be asked to them. For example, here I entered, let's book your board repair. Please answer this question. Number 1, enter your name. So, I'm asking my customer to enter their name. For that, I need to select contact custom field as name. Now, you must be thinking how to add this contact custom field. For that, you need to save your file. As you can see, I got a message, flow updated successfully. After that, you need to go to the setting feature. In the setting feature, you can see there is an option named by contact custom field. As soon as you click that, you can create your contact custom field over here. As I have already created, I will move back to my flow and start building further. After creating your contact custom field, you need to select your contact custom field and format. I will select the format as text. After name, I want their contact number as well. For that, I will again drag and drop this ask question box and connect with my previous question. After connecting, I will enter my message as enter your phone number. After that, again, I'm going to select contact custom field as contact number and format as number. After getting their phone number, I want to know for which time slot they want to book. Again, I will drag and drop this ask question box and connect my previous question with it. After connecting, I will enter my message as enter preferred drop-off time. For that, I will again select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. As I have got my desired information, I will send them a message informing that their booking has been confirmed. For that, I will drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message. Something like this. Now, as we have given our booking option in the previous section also, we will connect all the booking option with our initial question. And I will connect my menu option with my welcome message. Now, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information to run this flow perfectly. After that, don't forget to save your flow. As I have gotten a message, Flow updated successfully, that means my Flow is ready to run in the real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.